AOS S450 Digital Steam Humidifier. The most hygienic way of air humidification. This powerful steam humidifier system begins to operate by heating the water to the boiling point. The ensuing vaporized water from the unit then humidifies the room air. As heating the water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit ensures a bacteria and mineral-free humidification. The S450 is innovation in application. Steam humidification is a very effective way of quickly humidifying living space. Unlike traditional steam humidifiers, clear mist is warm to touch instead of burning hot. Therefore, we can recommend this product for all. Digital display with auto light dimmer. This digital display features surface touch controls and an auto light dimmer that helps produce light in the room while you sleep. Scented humidification. Add your favorite essential oil into the fragrance container and enjoy a relaxing scented humidification process. With auto cleaning mode. Turn on the auto cleaning mode on your S450 and it will automatically clean and decalcify the inside of the unit. Just rinse and you're ready to humidify. With clear mist technology. Clear mist technology allows the steam to exit warm rather than hot, thus making it safe for families and children. Most hygienic way to put moisture into the air. Doesn't require those expensive silver iron sticks or demineralization cartridges used by other units. Automatically dims the brightness on the digital controls based on ambient light. Water tank is easy to fill up and doesn't drip all over the place when you remove it like it does on all other AOS models. No expensive water filters to buy. Less calcium buildup to clean. The steam. I found that steam is the best way for me to humidify. Not messy and more quiet and clean. Easy to use. It has a nice auto setting, clear buttons. You can set it to turn off after a few hours, up to 9. The mist settings, digital hygrometer, and 9 hours timer are nice. It seems well constructed. The steam output is good. It is not silent, but it isn't loud. It sounds a bit like a cup of water boiling in the bottom of a bucket. It has an automatic decalcification mode. The control panel is touch-based, and is very sensitive and easy to use. It is very simple to set up and use, with the manual laid out clearly. I am using it in the auto mode, so that it only comes on if the humidity drops below the setting. It does not make that much noise, and is very effective in maintaining the humidity at the proper level. I use it at night, when sleeping. Well-built quality steam humidifier. Performs as advertised. To purchase AOS Digital Steam Humidifier, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.